This is a review of the AK47 Kalashnikov BB gun. Of course, don't have a real one. But don't go away because it's also the shooting of it. It was pretty cool. Right. I won't bother with all the boring stuff. Apart from each magazine can hold about 340 of these dudes. And this is 3,000 rounds of 0.24 grams of 6mm plastic pellet things. There's 3,000 in one of those things, but get lots of them. I had 2, and the first one went in about 3 minutes. So, right. Not everything's in the box because I've used it before. Right. Here's the magazine. Ooh. Isn't it wonderful? Best part. Right. Then you have your gun, which hasn't actually got the battery in it yet, but it's pretty cool. Battery's right there. If you can see it. There. It says don't charge it for more than 10 hours on a normal plug, but I always do, and it doesn't really matter. Then you have your thing that I don't use, and then you have your other thing, which I don't use either, but I think I'm supposed to. As you can see, I don't know much about these things, and I don't really care, I just care if they shoot. Right, yeah. So, I need to put the battery in the gun, which is over there. Then, we shall go outside and shoot some stuff. Right. Au revoir. Right. The battery's in there, and I forgot to mention that it goes in there. Unless you got the AK47U, and if you did, you're a fag, because this one's much cooler, and yeah, if it's the AK47U, it goes in there. So yeah, oh, and this thing got the annoying spinny thing at the bottom, which you have to spin after about 150 rounds, don't know, but it's really annoying. So, let's go fire. Oh yeah, and it's fully and semi-automatic. Right, let's go. Right, let's see what this has done already. That big hole right there, which is hardcore, you know. Then these are the 2 cans that we're going to be firing at. That's old cans that have been written. So yeah. Let's go shoot some cans. Right, first I'm going to fill the bottom with water so they don't fall over like they have. I'm going to give you a close-up of the cans while I am firing. You get it. There we go. Did you see it? Right. That's basically what it does to a cat. So, and it goes right through as well. So, Now we'll put it on fully automatic and see what it does to the cat. There you go, you can see big holes everywhere. You don't want to be the cat. Big holes in that one. So, you know, drink your beer fast while I'm shooting it out. Or anybody really with an AK47. So, I have to do the spinny thing, because I told you it's annoying. So yeah, I was going to shoot at the target, but I ran out of... I'm not doing dry firing, so... Just one more look at the can. Right. Hope you enjoyed it. Here we are with the AK-47.